Open the latch on the front of the injector and swing the lid open. Inspect the mating surfaces of the cutter flange and cutter motor block to make sure they are clean. Otherwise, the cutter may be misaligned. Place the index notch on the cutter pin in the up position if the cut edge is set for 1 or 2, and down if the cut edge is set for 3 or 4. Align the slot in the pin horizontally so that it will slide over the drive pin on the cutter motor. Align the hole on the cutter flange with the locating pin on the cutter block. Insert the cutter into the cutter block and press it all the way in. You should feel resistance from the internal spring during the last 3 millimeters of travel. When the cutter is properly aligned, reinstall the two 8/32 screws which will hold the cutter in place.